Tell me honestly, how does this website looks? I just created this entire website using AI, and this is just a demo website for a salon business in Canada. But if you look at it, it already feels like a complete professional website. The hero section with the video, the dark premium theme, and service page, gallery, and all other pages. Even the booking system is working, where customer can either fill the form or directly contact the salon through WhatsApp. But the real question is, isn't this appealing for client? So, hello, I'm Komal Bhojani and welcome back to my channel. This is the 8th video of my series 15 real businesses, 15 AI websites. So in this video, I'm going to build an entirely amazing salon website using AI. This website will allow customers to explore salon services, choose their preferred time slot, and book appointments online easily. So if you think this will be useful for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group where I share all the prompts and updates. Also, please support my new channel, Pro AI Income. I have added the link in the description. Now, before building the website, the first step is to find a real client, means a prospect. So what I'm going to do is I will go to Google and search for salons in Ontario. You can search for anywhere nearby your location or whatever city or country you want to target. Yes, you can see many results appear here. But if you look carefully, most of these businesses do not have their own website, and some of them are having. They only have a Google business profile with phone number, photos, and reviews, but no proper website. For example, you can see this salon called Meraki Salon. It has 35 plus reviews and a good rating, but still they do not have a website. You can see their Google business profile, their photos, everything is about the salon looks good. That clearly shows that there is a big opportunity in this niche. So this can be a perfect example where we can create a professional website for the salon business and show how AI can help us to build this quickly. So now to create this website, I'm going to Google AI Studio. It just got a new update of Gemini Pro 3.1 model. This tool will allow us to generate a complete website using just a single prompt. So here I will simply describe the type of website I want to build. I will mention that I need a modern dark theme salon website with pages like home, services, gallery, about, and book appointment. I will also specify that customers should be able to book appointments in two ways, either by filling out the complete booking form or by directly contacting the salon through WhatsApp. After writing the prompt, I will also paste the real salon details that we found earlier from Google Business, and then I just let AI generate website for me. Now, as you can see, our website is ready, and honestly, the result looks really professional. The AI has generated a complete dark theme salon website with a premium design. If you look at the homepage, it has a strong hero section with the salon name and the ad line, and the book appointment button, which is very important for converting visitors into customers. Then we have a service section where different salon services like haircut, conditioning, bridal styling, men's grooming are properly listed with pricing. If we go to the gallery page, you can see different hairstyle images, transformations, which helps showcase the salon's work and build trust with customers. Next, there is a about page where the story of the salon and owner is explained along with the location and business details. And finally, we have the book appointment page where customer can book in two ways, as we have mentioned in our prompt. They can either fill out the appointment booking form with the details, service date, time, and they can directly connect with the salon through WhatsApp for quick booking. So with just a single prompt, Google AI Studio generated a complete salon business website that looks modern, professional, and ready to use for a real client. Now, as you can see, the website looks like a complete prototype, but the booking form is not connected yet, and the WhatsApp button is not working right now. So now let's fix it. First, we will connect the WhatsApp booking button. For this, we need to add a salon contact number to the WhatsApp link. The format is very simple. It's a normal link, wa.me/the phone number. You just have to add the phone number. So suppose this is the phone number of the salon. So I will just replace the phone number in this link with the salon contact number like this way, and paste this link into Google AI Studio so that the WhatsApp button connects directly to the salon. After clicking the button, customer will able to chat with the salon instantly on WhatsApp. Next, we need to connect the booking form. For that, I will use a platform called Forms Free, which allows you to receive form submission directly in your Gmail. So I will open Forms Free in separate tab, log in with the Gmail account where I want to receive the booking emails, and then create a new form. I will name this form Meraki Salon. After creating the form, Forms Free will generate a endpoint link. Then I will simply copy that endpoint link and paste it into Google AI Studio, where our website is built, and ask AI to connect this booking form with this Forms Free endpoint, and also add the WhatsApp link to the booking button. After some time, once the website updates, both things will start working. The WhatsApp button will open the directly chat with the salon, and the booking form with send appointment details directly to the Gmail inbox. This way, the salon owners can receive and manage all the customer booking. Now let's test the website. First, I will click on WhatsApp button. As you can see, it opens the WhatsApp. Since I have added the demo number, it is showing this message. But this is exactly how you can connect any salon's real phone number to the button. Now let's taste the booking form. I will just fill the form to check whether I receive the booking emails or not. So I am adding my name, selecting the service, choosing the preferred date and time again, and then I'm just entering the email ID and phone number. And finally, I will now click on request appointment button. Now, as you can see, the message says request received. That means the form submission is working. But now let me also check my Gmail inbox. I will open my Gmail, and yes, you can see the email here from Meraki Salon with all the details that I filled in the booking form. So this means the website is working properly. The booking form is sending emails correctly, and the salon owners can now receive all the customer appointment requests directly in their inbox. Like this way, you can customize the website further and make it more attractive. For example, I want to add a video in the hero section, so the website looks more vibrant and engaging. For this, I have already created a short salon style video of 8 seconds. You can create similar videos using AI tools like Sora, View, and any other AI video generators. I created this one using View 3.1. Now, Google AI Studio cannot directly upload a video file into website. So first we need to host this video online. So for that, I will upload this video to YouTube, but not on my public channel. I will simply upload it and set it visible to unlisted in any not usable YouTube channel. After uploading, I will copy the video link and paste it into a Google AI Studio. Then I will ask the AI to add this video in the hero section so that website becomes more dynamic and visually attractive. Now you can see the video is placed on the website, and if you notice, it completely changes the overall look of the website. The structure, the sparkle, and the hair accessories in the video are showing beautifully, which gives the website a much more professional and engaging feel. This kind of hero video makes the website looks premium and more lively instead of just having a static image. Even if we check the mobile view, it still looks amazing. And this is very important because most customers will visit the salon website and book appointments directly from their mobile phones. You can see how responsive the website is, and everything adjusts properly for smaller screens. So when you share this kind of demo website with a real client, it creates a strong impression. It increases the chances of that the client will start a conversation with you and consider getting a website built for their business more from you. Now, if you are done with customization, you can simply publish this on Google Cloud, or you can connect this website with GitHub and then deploy it on any other hosting provider. But now the question is how to actually sell this website to salon owner. First, I will go back to the Google listing of the salon where we found this business. From there, we can see the phone number and contact details of the salon owner. The best way to approach them is to share this demo website directly. You can send them a short message on WhatsApp, email, or even Instagram if their profile is available. You can send a message like this: hello, I noticed your salon on Google and saw that you currently don't have a website. I actually created a quick demo website for your salon to show how customers could easily view services and book appointment online. Here is the demo link. If you like it, I would be happy to help you launch a full version of your business. Okay, that's it. This works very well because you are not selling first. You are showing your value first. When the salon owner sees their own business website already created, they are much more likely to respond. If they show interest, then you can explain that the website will help them get more online booking, look more professional on Google, and make it easier for customer to connect them on WhatsApp. You can charge something like $150 to $500 depending upon the features and customization. So the main strategy is very simple. Find a business, build a quick demo website, send it to the owner, and start conversation. And this is exactly how you turn these AI generated websites into a real client and real income. And that's all for this video. As you saw, with this help of AI, you can quickly create a professional demo website like this for local businesses. Many local businesses still don't have their own website, which means they are highly convertible clients if you show them a ready demo like this. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know your views on this video in comments. Also, join my Telegram group where I will share all the prompts and tips I have used in this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and check my new channel, Pro AI Income. I will mention the link in description. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.